Boost your vocabulary. 50 common shopping phrasal verbs. Let's begin. Look for. Look for. Search for something. Look around. Look around. Walk and see what is in the store. Come across. Come across. Find something by chance. Pick out. Pick out. Choose something. Go for. Go for. Decide to buy or choose something. Try on. Try on. Put on clothes to see if they fit. Look over. Look over. Examine something carefully. Try out. Try out. Test something to see if you like it. Go with. Go with. Match in style or color. Check out. Check out. Pay for your items or look at something with interest. Pick up. Pick up. Buy something casually or quickly. Shop around. Shop around. Compare prices at different stores. Splash out. Splash out. Spend a lot of money on something. Fork out. Fork out. Spend money, usually when you don't want to. Shell out. Shell out. Spend a large amount of money. Drop by. Drop by. Visit a shop quickly without planning. Pop in. Pop in. Enter a shop briefly. Ring up. Ring up. Record a sale on the cash register. Pay off. Pay off. Finish paying money you owe. Save up. Save up. Keep money to buy something in the future. Cut back. Cut back. Spend less money or buy less. Put aside. Put aside. Save money or an item for later. Hold on to. Hold on to. Keep something and not return or sell it. Back out. Back out. Decide not to do or buy something. Turn down. Turn down. Refuse an offer or deal. Cash in. Cash in. Use a situation to make money or get benefits. Count out. Count out. Count money to pay someone. Throw in. Throw in. Add something extra for free. Rip off. Rip off. Charge too much or cheat someone. Take back. Take back. Return something to the store. Give back. Give back. Return something to a person or shop. Send back. Send back. Return something by delivery or mail. Drop off. Drop off. Deliver something to a place. Pick up. Pick up. Collect something, like an order. Check in. Check in. Report arrival, for example, when picking up an order. Run out. Run out. Have no more of something left. Stock up. Stock up. Buy a large amount of something. Sell out. Sell out. All items are sold, none are left. Clear out. Clear out. Remove all items, often to make space or during a sale. Mark down. Mark down. Lower the price of an item. Sell off. Sell off. Sell items cheaply, often to clear stock. Line up. Line up. Wait in line. Weigh out. Weigh out. Measure goods, like fruits or grains, by weight. Wrap up. Wrap up. Pack an item, usually in paper or a bag. Look out for. Look out for. Be alert for something, like a sale or a good deal. Go out. Go out. Leave the house to go shopping. Talk into. Talk into. Persuade someone to buy something. Talk it out. Talk it out. Persuade someone not to buy something. Run into. Run into. Meet someone by accident. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, like the video and subscribe to our channel to improve your English vocabulary. See you in our upcoming videos.